Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to DaVinci Resolve Studio for color grading, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Blackmagic design website. In the menu at the top, find and click on the support section. Scroll down to locate the latest download section. Select DaVinci Resolve from the list of available products. Locate the version of DaVinci Resolve Studio that suits your operating system. Click on the download link for your chosen version. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard to install the software on your device. After installation, launch DaVinci Resolve Studio for the first time. You will be presented with a welcome screen. Look for the option to create an account if you don't have one. Fill in the required details to create your account. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Purchase section. Select the option for DaVinci Resolve Studio subscription. Review the subscription plans available. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Review your order summary before finalizing the purchase. Confirm your subscription by clicking on the Final Confirmation button. Once the subscription is confirmed, check your email for a confirmation message. Return to DaVinci Resolve Studio and log in again if necessary. Your subscription should now be active. Explore the software features to enhance your color grading skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.